Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to select a room and meal plan with a paired roommate. Let's begin. On the date and time of your appointment, you will return to the housing portal and begin the self-selection process. Your first step is to click Apply for Housing and re-enter your application. Once you are in there, you will click Continue. If you enter the portal before your appointment, you will see Appointment Time Slot entered into the bottom of the application Next Steps page. Once your appointment time has passed, you may click on Got Your Appointment. Press here to select your room and meal plan. This then will bring you to the room list. Upon entry into the portal at the time of your appointment, you'll see the room list filter that will allow you to seek room types and buildings. Clicking a filter button will reduce the number of options on the right-hand screen. Using filters will allow you to make options more manageable. If a filter returns no results, it means all those room types have been filled. Once filters have been applied, the list of available rooms will condense. Each available room provides a variety of important information, including cost per semester, location, room type, the size of the room, the number of bathrooms in a space, the orientation to campus, and spaces available in the suite, and spaces available within the room within the suite. Students looking to place roommates should carefully consult the spaces available in room to ensure that there are enough spaces in the bedroom to accommodate the roommate pair or trio. If you're looking for more information on the room, you may click on Show Room Info. Here on the reverse side of the room, you can see the names of students who may have already selected the room in that space. Note, Room 1, A or B, merely are placeholders to indicate that there are 2 beds in the space. Click Go Back to return to the front of the room selection page to finalize your choice. Once you decide that this is the room space that you would like to select, please click Add to Cart. Then you'll begin the finalization process by assigning beds. First, assign yourself to the bed that you would like, then your verified roommate. Once you are sure that this is the way that you would like the room configured, please click Assign Beds. It's now time to choose the meal plan required for your room selection. Students living in freshman spaces are required to have the carte blanche meal plan. Students living in upperclassmen on-campus spaces must maintain a minimum of Meal Plan 10. Students living in Founders Village must maintain a minimum of the Apartment Meal Plan 7. Students living in off-campus locations may choose to have any of the previously mentioned meal plans, including Meal Plan 7. Finally, you'll be brought to the selection summary page, where you may review your room assignment along with your meal plan. Then, a little bit further down, you may see your roommate and suite mate information, those who are booked in your current room and your current suite. This is live information and will be updated as people enter your space. If you need to make a new selection, you may do so by clicking the link here. We strongly recommend that this option be used for those seeking a room on their own. Caution: this is a live process, and if you opt out to make a new selection, there's no guarantee that your first selection will remain available. Advisory for roommate pairs and trios seeking to undo their selection. If you selected a room and placed a roommate, choosing the Make a New Selection process will only undo your selection. Your placed roommate will remain in the bed you placed them in. If it's not your roommate's appointment time, they cannot enter the portal and will need to call our office as soon as possible at 718-990-2417 to have their booking canceled so that they can return to the portal and make a new selection. Thanks for watching. Please use the information here to contact us if you have any questions. Remember, there are other videos to help you through this process as well, and I wish you the best of luck during housing selection.